I, Saint Germain, desire to present an insight to open your mind, to create a new attitude, a vision, or an understanding that you can carry forth in your ascension and your existence upon the earth. All of your spiritual pastimes, your spiritual goals, and your life upon the earth, even your desires, your aspirations. Here is the focus of the present, and the destiny assisting you and all beings in existence as a peaceful and mindful being. There can be several opinions and judgments that arise inside your thoughts after I invite you to exist as a being. This is peaceful and aware upon the earth. I inspire you to truly renounce and observe your reactions after I invite you to be a mindful and peaceful being upon the earth. As you well know your reactions, you understand the energies that are hindering you, the notion processes, styles, beliefs, which can be hindering you from being a mindful and peaceful person. I desire to encourage you to acknowledge within the coming days what does it mean to you to be a human being, recognizing that you have emotions, mind, sensitivity, and sensations in your frame. You have dreams and aspirations. You want to be loved. Your body needs nourishment. You want friendship and help. It is all about respecting yourself, loving yourself, being kind and generous within yourself, and doing the same to others. Allowing the whole lot to waft, permitting emotions to waft while it is needed, allowing mind to flow, not always to be engaged with, and allowing yourself to fully sense who you are as a being. It will take time to encompass this cognizance of present as a peaceful aware being, and yet you already are a peaceful and aware being. It's for now time to encompass this. The best advice and guidance I can share with you now could be to be observant of your complete being. Observe the judgments that arise from within your being, along with, it's far not possible to consider all of the time, or it's far not possible to be peaceful all the time. How can one be peaceful when they feel anger or frustration inside their being? Perhaps you sense that to be peaceful and to be mindful is to be submissive and to no longer hold your energy, or not to claim your strength as your own. There may be several reviews and judgments that come up within your mind after I invite you to exist as a being. This is peaceful and mindful upon the earth. I encourage you to really well known and take a look at your reactions when I invite you to be a conscious and peaceful being upon the earth. When you consider a peaceful and a mindful being, you also need to recall what it's for to be human. While you do not forget what it is to be human, it is vital to consider your desires. Don't forget what makes you glad, fulfilled, and whole. It is also essential to consider that there is a want for cognizance, not best for yourself, but for others, their limits, their boundaries, their dreams, and their needs.